I'm Richard Jaffe, President of Producer USA. As competition in the die casting industry has intensified worldwide, it became apparent that the solution for many companies was the introduction of automation equipment to increase productivity on their machines while reducing direct labor and eliminating safety issues that cost valuable human resources. This has led to the inevitable implementation of equipment designed to meet those goals. In North America, the trend has been towards increased productivity with existing capital equipment while keeping investment to a minimum. For this reason, the Producer Group of companies worldwide made a decision to offer their proprietary automation designs for retrofit to existing die casting machines. Producer has been providing machines with their own automation for over a decade with more than 2,000 systems in operation worldwide. This has enabled us to enter the market with proven technology. The challenge of integrating existing equipment with our devices was met, resulting in a field-tested product that is now available to the entire industry. Our equipment is offered as standalone hardware package for customers that have machines with control capability. In those instances, we provide the basic controls for teaching and setting up the devices utilizing the customer's controls. As an option, the customer can choose to purchase our complete system, including a PLC-enabled control panel programmed to operate the devices and with provision for integrating the customer's existing machine controls. Either way, the customer receives a proven, simple system backed by our years of experience. The equipment is simple to set up, operate, and maintain. Whether it is our vertical rotation extractor, reciprocating spray systems, or our line of conveyors, we have the right solution for your job.
This DHP 300 cell consists of our vertical rotation extractor, reciprocating spray system, and air-cooled tunnel conveyor. As part of our standard machine automation package, it utilizes the machine's PLC and touchscreen color operator interface to control all aspects of the complete cycle. The setup of all these devices, as well as their programming, is done on the screen. The extractor is prepared to remove the casting after the completion of the cycle. After verification of the casting by means of a set of adjustable switches, the casting is presented to the conveyor belt by the right angle movement of the grip arm. A timer in the PLC of the machine starts the conveyor forward for a timed interval and then stops, enabling the casting to remain under the air cooling tunnel for a predetermined time. This prepares the casting for eventual trimming or break-off at the end of the conveyor without any exposure to water, solving a vexing housekeeping and safety problem normally found in quench tank type conveyor systems. The versatility of this system is demonstrated when it can be applied to hot and cold chamber machines of any size. With the addition of our TP20 trim press, we can now offer a complete cell for any die casting application. Minor adjustments of the extractor's design made it possible to offer the same basic unit with an adjustable arm for various stroke lengths, as well as operator and helper side orientation and horizontal and angle orientation for both cold and hot chamber applications. Changing the grip made converting from angled screws to straight biscuits easy. This extractor is being adjusted for stroke to increase the distance from the center line of a smaller machine to a larger one. This is a standard feature. Both single and double detection for the limit switches can be made on the extractor. The extractor now is showing positions being changed on the limit switch to accommodate various sizes and configurations of castings. The grip is adjustable with spacers to transition from hot chamber screws to cold chamber biscuits. The position of the extractor relative to the grip target can be changed on easy-to-use manual controls. Limit switches and a frequency drive complete the adjusting tools available for changing parameters. manual controls adjust the extractor's position relative to the parting line of the die. All extractors are furnished with an interlocked guarding system to prevent unauthorized personnel from entering the area. Our reciprocating spray systems offer the choice of a smaller fixed head configuration and a larger, more versatile, changeable system. The spray nozzles and air blast tubes can be tailored to fit individual applications. Here, a system is undergoing a manifold change, enabling the system to be converted from 8 to 12 spray heads. The manifold can be removed depending upon the size and complexity of the die. All of our spray systems offer separate controls for programming various spray sequences and patterns. For example, the reciprocator can be programmed to stroke down for a preset time, spray the cover half of the die, spray the ejector half of the die with ejector pins either forward or retracted, and then perform a separate air blast. It can also be made to pulse up and down several times during one cycle. On machines equipped with our PLC controls, these settings can be saved to a memory position. The extractor controls include manual switches for each function, and the interface displays position and operation requirements on the robot motion monitor. Grip, arm movement, 90-degree rotation, and forward and back movement are adjustable and can be monitored. All automation equipment was originally designed to be operated in conjunction with our machine PLC and operator interface. On machines so equipped, setup screens, help screens, and error message screens are provided. Some of the features include the capability of changing settings for time, frequency, and pulsing, as well as detecting malfunctions in the operation cycle. Once these are determined, they can be saved to the die memory. These features can be provided at additional cost in standalone control packages. The optional control package with touchscreen color operator interface provides everything necessary to operate the extractor, reciprocating spray system, and conveyor in one cabinet with connections provided and hardware for interfacing any machine to the controller's PLC on conventional terminals. The main screen contains identification of the model and serial number along with contact information for service. The motion screen is a live-action representation of all the functions of the extractor during operation. Other screens can be navigated at any time, providing the operator with complete control of the setup and operation of the automation equipment. Screens for timer functions, selection of optional features of the devices, PLC monitoring, sequence of operation, die memory, and pictures of all solenoid valves are included along with help screens for various functions. The controls also include a series of error message screens for any malfunction, which greatly enhances troubleshooting. Our automation equipment has been installed worldwide with great success in a variety of challenging applications. The experience we have gained working with our customers has provided the basis of our development of standalone devices and enhanced our reputation as one of the world's leading die casting machine and automation equipment manufacturers. The development of our machines, automation equipment, and trim presses as an integrated cell has further expanded this reputation. We will continue to improve this equipment and add technology to keep our customers competitive.